beautiful. Wow. Look at heaven, guys. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna take this video today. Please watch it, see, and if you like, please comment, subscribe, like, and my channel. And you can also share video. Also, this music you can have free. Blackberry, blueberry farm. Wow, I really enjoying this, having this place and video. Wow, so nice. Melbourne, call them Melbourne. Wow. You can see this flower and so now blossoming and so people are watching. They are looking, taking video and TikTok and picture for Instagram, maybe many for YouTube channel maybe. The more important thing is the people are very enjoying us and seeing them like very happy and fresh and peace of mind here because so beautiful and nature flower. Yeah, wow. You can see people here, couple, the special couple come and some maybe family. Hi, hello guys. Some single like welcome to my channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and like, comment, share. I hope you enjoy the video, guys. This is a really beautiful flower and the place is